Hi, I'll be talking about async in Redux today. I'm Darpan Kakadia. I work as a UI engineer at ClearTrip, and my Twitter handle is Kakadia Darpan, Twitter handle, GitHub, everywhere. And at ClearTrip, I'm revamping the complete front end using React and making a PWA. So I'm here to share my experiences here. So let's start. So how do you handle async actions in your Redux? Probably promises or thunks, or maybe sagas, or Redux pack, something like that. So let's see that I'll share my experience of what I found is better, and let's see. So generally speaking, we only use one Redux middleware, and which should you choose? Redux Saga. And let me tell you why. So first, let me tell you what Redux Saga is. Redux Saga is a library using ES6 generator functions to handle your async actions. And if you don't know what ES6 generator functions are, let me tell you what it is. So ES6 generator functions, they are not like your regular functions. They can be paused and played whenever you want. So that makes Redux Saga very powerful. Let's see what is next. So this is a sample saga. So if you see here, there are a few keywords like take every, put, delay. Take every listens to all the actions that are dispatched, and whatever function you pass it over there is dispatched in that particular action. So then other is delay. Delay is just delays the execution by that many milliseconds. Then there is put. It is similar to what dispatch is in Redux thunk. It actually dispatches an action. That's it. And so if you see here, this is the watch and increment async. So here I'm listening to this particular action, and whenever I encounter that, and I'm dispatching increment async generator, which I've written here. And this is a simple increment task. That's it, nothing else. So let's see how would you do something in thunk, and how would you do something in saga. So this is just a simple fetch data call, and in Redux, you return a function which dispatches an action, right? So here you see there is we are making a get call, and then writing then and catch, and dispatching respective actions, right? Simple. But in case of Saga, we have to do so many things. First, we write a root Saga where we are watching all the actions that are dispatched and dispatching a generator accordingly, like this. And then we have a try catch, because whenever you encounter a server-side error or client-side error in your API request, it throws an error which is handled in catch. So we have try catch. We write everything in try, and whatever we want to handle as an error, we put it in catch. Simple. But you would say, isn't this just too much work? Yes, it is if your application is very simple. But when your application becomes very complex, Saga is really, really beautiful. Because as you saw in the last page, it is very declarative, that yield call execs.get/data. So you know exactly what your code is by just reading it, you know what it is doing. It is as simple as that. And that's it. And these are the advantages of Redux Saga. It has task cancellations, so sometimes you don't want all of the actions that are dispatched to be handled. So for example, autocomplete, right? So when you type in 3 keywords, after that you want to dispatch an action. But on every key you're dispatching an action, but you don't want to handle them. Only the latest one, right? In that case, you can use take latest from Redux Saga, which only handles the latest action that has been dispatched. Latest same action. Then you have race conditions, throttling, debouncing, retrying network calls, and undo actions. That's it. I'm Kakadia Darpan. Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. Let's now go for the questions. Let's open the questions. We have a couple of them. So why not use async await with thunk?
OK,
sorry.
Sure. So async await, you can, if you use it, will be a little similar. But the only thing is that in async await, you cannot pause a function. In generators, you can do that. So that is the power of Redux Saga.
The next question. Don't you think that Redux Observable is better?
I have not used Redux Observable, so I cannot comment on that. Sorry.
So the next one is from Ivan Mitiev. Generator functions are not pure. Is it OK to use them with React?
Yes, it is okay to use them with React because all the data manipulation that you're doing, all the code logic, business logic, it goes in Saga. But the store updation, it is handled in Reducer, which is still pure. So that is okay.
So what is the added value of using Redux Saga versus Redux Observable, given that RX is so widely used everywhere?
Again, the same thing. I have not used Redux Observable, sorry.
That's fine. So there's two more. How to dispatch a Saga only when store change? Is it possible?
I don't know about that. I've never done that. I'll have to look into that. Probably if you tweet me or DM me, I can help you with that.
Cool. And the last one we already covered. So thank you very much.